Yes, you have to unbox it. Hello! So last week, driving in the rain, apparently the Fusion didn't like launching. And so I threw three engine codes, all related to accidents. Well, apparently the Fusions are known for having rear motor mounts not last very long. So I decided for Mother's Day, because I don't ever drive my Fusion, and I don't ever drive it spiritedly. I don't know what anybody's talking about. I ordered a new one, and this one should be a lot better. So let's see. Say good morning, Mom.
Good morning.
Oh, open it up. Oh, what does it say? It says Boomba. Ooh, boxed all beautifully. Look at that. They even put popcorn.
What is this? So I can go 100 miles an hour?
It is gearhead goodness.
This is your Father's Day present?
No, I'll consider it a Mother's Day present.
Why?
Because it's for the family car. Are you excited? I'm excited. Ooh.
Oh, those are very pretty.
And they're shiny. Ooh. Oh.
Is that what Cindy kept breaking on her car?
Yeah.
Her motor mounts?
That is billet aluminum with polyurethane inserts. And I don't think I'm going to be able to break these anytime soon. And no more engine torquing with stability control and traction control. Freaking out, thinking I'm crashing.
That would be a good idea.
Yes,
And you
mate.
said me driving the car, you got the worst gas mileage?
Yeah.
I think you lie.
Mom drove the Fusion once down to town. I get like 24 and a half to 26 miles per gallon. I get in the car after she drove it, it's at 21.
It was not.
So I know for a fact she was having fun with the EcoBoost because it makes shoo noises.
It did not.
I'm sure it did.
I don't believe you.
I'm sure it did.
Don't believe you.
I'm sure you heard the.
I can't hear that. I'm deaf. You just spit in my
I
face.
just shoot you in the face.
There's no way that it got less gas mileage.
Way.
Cause
It was because it was more city driving. That's what it was. But I'm gonna blame it on driving around the
You know what
Walmart
it
parking
is?
lot.
You drive like an old man, and I don't.
Oh, gauntlet is down, sir. I say we need take Mom to the track day. That'd be fun. Like this video if you want to see that happen. Streets of Willow.